I'm gonna press a bit hard. You see, not scratch at all. And I'm using the tip. So what you need to do is basically twist slightly so it becomes like a knife blade. You can use the point, but when after a while the point rub away, so you have to turn to the side bits. I use the other side for drilling into tough stuff, so and I use the hammer to ram it to a roots but chilling. Yeah. So you can see you can use the knife sharp as well. And you just need to push. You can see the texture. So I put a bit of light on it. I'm using natural light. Bring up a bit. So reflect the light back at you. Yeah. You can see it's not bright out today. See, as the light go on, you can't really see much because it just absorbs. And you can see the texture as well. I show you what to look on the outside so you can peel it off. You see? See? Happy hunting.